Hello everyone. Today we're covering Abbott Elementary Season 6, the latest updates on its renewal status, predicted timeline, and what fans might expect next from the hit workplace comedy. Abbott Elementary is an Emmy-winning sitcom created by Quinta Brunson about a group of dedicated teachers navigating life in an underfunded Philadelphia school. As of late 2025, Abbott Elementary is in its fifth season, which premiered earlier this year and is currently airing new episodes. There's no official announcement yet confirming Season 6 at this time. However, Abbott Elementary has been a consistent ratings success and cultural touchstone for ABC since its debut, meaning renewal for another season is very likely once the fifth season wraps. Historically, ABC renews its most successful comedies around early spring, March-April, for the next TV season. If Season 6 is ordered in early 2026 and enters production soon after, a typical network sitcom turnaround would make a fall 2026 or early 2027 premiere likely, as most broadcast sitcoms return in the fall TV schedule. A trailer would usually be released in summer 2026 ahead of that premiere. Until ABC makes an official announcement, we'll have to wait to hear confirmation, but based on the show's popularity and network patterns, a Season 6 release in fall 2026 or early 2027 is a reasonable prediction.